Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having sausage biscuit. For lunch, we're having a pulled pork. Tomorrow for breakfast, apple fritter and sausage. And for lunch, we'll have fish nugget. Announcements. Please continue to post attendance to Schoology. We almost have those class rolls perfected. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. Yesterday, we had quite a few students that came in without a mask. So make sure that you have your mask when you leave the house in the morning. It is a part of your uniform. It is your job to bring it with you each day. Today's late duty is going to be Miss Wolf. Important dates. We had the blood drive. Yesterday was the PST. This Friday, we are going gold for childhood cancer. Make sure you bring your $1 for our to raise money for those that cause. And you can also bring another $1 and buy the wristband. On October 8th, we have the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is Teacher Work Day. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. So here is a little bit more information about our fundraiser on Friday in honor of Childhood Cancer Awareness Month and our student Madeline Franklin, who lost her battle with cancer last year. We will be allowing students to wear a gold shirt, okay, on Friday, September 24th. You will still be wearing your uniform bottoms, but you can wear a gold shirt. So you can bring $1 or more donation. The proceeds from this drive will be given to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. Okay, they are also going to be selling those Cure Childhood Cancer bracelets for $1. So you can turn those into your homeroom teacher, and that we will take care of that each morning, and you'll bring your $1 for your yellow shirt on Friday. So we would love to have everyone participate in that. Can't wait to see everyone decked out in their gold on Friday and get those cool yellow wristbands for $1 also. We also have the other school fundraiser. The school fundraiser that is going on. Bring back your envelope, turn it into your snack bag, and you will get your little wrist fluffy animal. The word of the day is equation. Oh, equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. The amount on one side of the equal sign has the same value as the amount on the other side. Yesterday, I was down with my first grade friends, and we were looking at some addition and subtraction equations. We had our addition problems had a plus sign, and our subtraction problems had a minus sign, and we were solving some equations, adding and subtracting. So a mathematical sentence is with a plus sign or a minus sign, and an equal sign is an equation. Okie dokie. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.